Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, let's quickly go and analyze some stocks which I had listed down yesterday. So in this video I'll be covering BIOCON, Hindustan Unilever and ICICI Bank. BIOCON have given its trading below 200-day moving average. Let's go and analyze. Hindustan Liver, I say it's a good buy, and ICICI Bank bearish engulfing. Let's go and check it out and let's analyze these stocks. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you receive regular updates on the videos. Another thing is all these above 15 stocks I have already analyzed and uploaded these videos. You can go and check it out. So now let's move ahead with our analysis. Let's go to BIOCON, Hindustan Unilever and ICICI Bank. Another important thing is, guys, please join the Telegram group for further updates. Okay, now let's see what is happening with the BIOCON Limited first. Okay, BIOCON Limited looks very beautiful. The setup is very good. I'll tell you why. Okay, now I'll tell you the reason why I feel this stock is good to short. The first thing is it's trading below this 200-day moving average, which shows weakness in the stock. If a stock starts trading below 200-day moving average, you can assume that big players, smart players, are getting out of this particular stock. I don't know why BIOCON has fallen so drastically here, but it looks weakness. So technically what we are going to do is, if tomorrow price trades, or in the coming week, if we see price trading below this candle low, right, that is 398.20, we will go ahead with a short position. We can go ahead with a short position for a target of 386 and 371 and 363.25. This 363.25 will be the last strongest support here for this particular area, because we have seen once the price has dropped here, you can see here from this level the bulls have again pushed up to this level, that is up to 200-day moving average, but again we have seen a rejection from this level. So in case price again falls, this last point where bulls are holding, if they turn their position into selling position, then we can see a good drop again on the downside, right, because price has been trading below 200-day moving average. That is the biggest thing to understand. And if you see, for almost around, I think, since March 2020, yes, almost around 11 months now, after 11 months the first time price has come below this 200-day moving average. So we can see for good shorting opportunity here. So BIOCON for now looks very weak. Now other thing, let me explain you. In case on the long side, if there are bulls really intact, or some they try to push above this level, let me mark this level, guys. This level will be a key level, let me tell you, because there is a big gap, right? You can see the gap here. So once stock enters this level, there are good chances it can start covering the gap as well. So if you want to, if you get a long opportunity, the long opportunity can be created only above 423, because there is a point from where we have seen a gap. But remember, it's on the upside. For long side, it may be a little tough for the bulls to push up to this level, because we can get any reversal from any of these sides. We can get reversal from this side, or from this side itself. This entire zone will act as a resistance until unless we don't see price closing above this 50 moving average and this 440.15. Taking any long position will be very risky. Once we see close above this level, then we can expect prices again to move upside. Close above this level and above this 50 moving average. So until unless we don't see close above 50 moving average, it's gonna be very difficult. So all this zone can act as a strong resistance zone. From this zone again we can see a reversal on the downside. So for Monday, guys, if you are a day trader, you can see for this level below 398.20, for 386.80, and stop loss you can keep based on your risk management or money management tool, whatever you have. Right now, let's move ahead to the next stock. Let's see, the next stock is Hindustan Unilever, and then next we have ICICI Bank. Okay, we have Hindustan Unilever, and Unilever, I just said like it's a good buy. Okay, let's go and check it out, the reason. Let me first go and check with the trend. I'll draw the trend line first. Let's see what has happened. Okay, this is the trend line. Okay, this is the trend line. Let me go to weekly chart as well. Let me understand. Okay, yes. Now let me explain you what is the reason. I'm trying to say you that it may be a good buying opportunity. Let's check out this weekly chart. In weekly chart, whenever we have got a hammer at 50 moving average, let's go and search that. Let's see what has happened and how the movement has been whenever we have seen a hammer. You can see here the first thing, we had a hammer here, right? And once it broke, this price started sustaining above this hammer high. We have seen a momentum on the upside, and this hammer was at 50 moving average, right? You can see here again kind of hammer, price started moving up from 50 moving average. Let's see some other opportunities as well. Okay, you can see a very beautiful hammer, a big hammer at 50 moving average. It has turned from 50 moving average, then prices started moving up. Here as well we had a hammer, but it was below 50 moving average. Yes, we had a hammer again here. You can see what has happened, it has moved up. Now if you see here, in this week it has ended up again as a hammer. So this hammer can be an important level, right? Now let's again see with trend line. Remove all these drawings. So you hope you understood how exactly I'm tracking these hammers. Now let me check out with line chart so that it will avoid me these tails, though tails are very important. Let me try drawing a. Okay, let us draw with this. Okay, if I try to draw channel, channel doesn't look so good because on the upside it has just hit one time. You can probably use this for trend line, these levels. Okay, now this is the trend line what I've drawn. Let me explain you the reason what I've drawn here and why I have drawn here. You can see here whenever it has entered this zone we have seen a bounce, right? This is in line chart, and here the price, though the price has not entered the zone based on the closing. Now let me go ahead and check out with the candle chart, and let me extend this. Okay, this is a trend line. This is a trend line what I've drawn here. Now the very important thing what I have to tell you about is about this Hindustan Unilever is, guys, still it doesn't breach this level 2093. We not turn bearish. Once it turns 2093, then we can probably see the levels and then decide depending on the price action. Now for tomorrow I have a simple analysis, even investors probably can use this. It has reversed nearby this 50 moving average. So let me tell you what important levels are for tomorrow. In case we see price trading above 2285, even intraday players can use this. In case we see price trading above 2285, we can create a long position for a target of 2308 and 2334, right? If we see price trading above 2285, we can create a long position for these two targets on intraday basis. And for positional basis, if you're looking for investment, then guys, we can go for the target of also 2423 and 2525. This is a positional basis target, what I'm telling you. Big targets though, so you can just start trailing your stop loss once it moves in your direction. So Hindustan Unilever, it has formed a hammer here on weekly basis. On daily basis, if I say yes, daily basis also, you can see here it's bouncing somewhere near from 200 moving average, but this 50 moving average can act as a strong resistance as well. The time it reaches somewhere here, and if price starts moving upside, this can act as a strong resistance. It can either reverse from here, or if it sustains above this 50 moving average, it can start moving upside, right? And you can see here lot of bearishness in this area. Bears are holding this level very strong. So even if it moves up from 50 moving average on daily chart basis, daily time frame basis, you check it out and then you take a call whether you have to go long above this 50 moving average, or if it reverses from 50 moving average, you can again create a short position, right? This is a simple analysis on Hindustan Unilever, though it's little complicated here. Now let's go and check out ICICI Bank as well. This is the last stock in this video. Okay, ICICI Bank, it has formed a bearish engulfing. Let's go and check it out. Okay, this is ICICI Bank stock. Let's see what is the closing of this bullish candle. This bullish candle closing is 628.30 and bearish candle opening is 628.30. Yes, I can consider this as a bearish engulfing, but there is very less chances that the stock can correct much. I'll tell you the reason why. You can see here the stock is very bullish, and whenever it has corrected, the correction has lasted for very small time, right? Though the trend is upside, you can see here when the trend is usually upside, we usually see for buying opportunities, we don't see for selling opportunities. So this ICICI Bank, I don't think so would be a good idea to take a short position at this level. Only for risky players, in case you are ready to risk a little, then you can take a position, or else this is good whenever it enters 50 moving average or this trend line, that will be a good opportunity to buy. But still, I'll explain you for risky traders. Any break below this low, that is 609, let me mark this range high and range low, and everyone knows that this is all-time high. It has never entered this range previously, 608 or 635 range. Now in case tomorrow we see price sustaining below 609, then we can expect some momentum on the downside. Let me tell you what targets we can go up with even for intraday, that is 598, and the next probable target would be somewhere around 561, 598 and 561. So there is a big gap in between 598 and 561. Let me break this to 2-hour chart and see if I can find some more support or resistance here. Okay, there is no support resistance because there was a quick move on the upside here. Let me break to 15 minutes chart. Okay, before it moves to this target, we can also use this target. Let me tell you, we have some, okay, we can use 590 and then probably 573. Guys, you can maintain these targets for tomorrow, though I'm telling you it's going to be a little risky, because whenever stock is in uptrend, we usually wait for buying opportunities, but though it has formed a bearish engulfing, risky players can take a short position for these targets of 598, 590 and 573 once it starts trading below 609. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. In the next video I'll cover Marico, Muthoot Finance and Nestle. I'll explain you what is the patterns I'm trying to watch in Marico, whether it's on short side or long side. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates, and keep watching the videos. And if you have any doubts, you can drop in the comment section, and I'll also share the intraday trading strategy which you can use for breakout system or any of the stocks whatever we are analyzing. If you get a setup, you can use that. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.